up, coming up from underneath. I don't need a gold medal or a diamond ring, just a living room floor with the neighbors next door and the record on repeat. I used to spend all of my days making friends with enemies, just a drifter by the ocean. And I broke out of my hometown, caught a greyhound, from the old me to the new thing. I think I'm coming up from underneath, coming up above, coming up from underneath, with an old suitcase and an open heart. No one ever looked back, no one ever fall apart. Now I live in the moment, got everything I need, and we'll never burn out cause we're singing real loud with the record on repeat. I used to spend all of my days making friends with enemies, just a drifter by the ocean. And I broke out of my hometown, caught a greyhound, from the old me to the new thing. I think I'm coming up from underneath, coming up above, 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 coming up from underneath. Just a living room floor with the neighbors next door and the record on repeat. Just a living room floor with the neighbors next door and the record on repeat. Just a living room floor with the neighbors next door and the record on repeat. Just a living room floor with the neighbors next door and the record. And I broke out of my hometown, caught a greyhound, from the old me to the new thing. I think I'm coming up from underneath, coming up above, 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 coming up from underneath, coming up above.
So, longtime viewers of this channel may have recognized that statue in the background. That is the Buchanan statue at the tail end of Meridian Hill Park, also called Malcolm X Park, in the Columbia Heights neighborhood of DC. I used to live in Columbia Heights, and for several years of my tech blog, that's where I was recording all my videos. I've since moved to other parts of DC, but they just renovated and reopened that part of the park, so I thought it would be a fun trip down memory lane to go shoot a flow video there now that the space has changed a little bit. So, I hope you enjoyed watching it. Real quickly, thanks to Flow Toys for sponsoring this video and giving me an opportunity to go out and shoot some cool flow videos in places from Drex past. If you'd like to grab a set of those FPC pod poi that I was using in this video, you can do so by heading on over to flowtoys.com and using my special promo code DrexFactor62023. Yes, that is DrexFactor62023. My code has recently changed. That'll get you a discount on your order, and it helps out the channel so everybody wins. Thanks once again to Flow Toys for sponsoring this video. And speaking of thank yous, big thank you goes out to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Fire Mecca, Flow Fests, Flow Toys, Juggling Calling, Pyrotire Light Toys, Spinballs, and Ultrapoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can learn more about all these amazing companies and the work they're doing to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links that I've got down in the description of this video. And special thanks to the non-business friend of the channel, that is Pekha Pekkonen. Thank you so very much for supporting my channel, my work, and my mission. And finally, this video would not be possible were it not for the kind support of all of these lovely people right here. These are my Flow patrons over on Patreon. They and the people listed down in the description help to make this video and all the videos on this channel possible. Thank you one and all for your very generous support. If you'd like to check out some of my other Flow videos, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to a playlist of them down in the description, as well as up here on screen if you're watching on YouTube. And also, the YouTube algorithm thinks that you might like this top video here too, so maybe give that a look. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you with a new video real soon. Peace.